Hello everyone, and welcome to Jumperman Tech, where we specialize in HVAC but do everything DIY. And today I'm going to be installing the Govee LED color changing light bulb. Thank you to everyone tuning in to Jumperman Tech, and we're going to begin today's project with going over our lights. I ordered the 2-pack of RGB LED bulbs, so when we open up our package, we'll find 2 bulbs, 2 remote controls, and a user manual. These bulbs offer 16 vibrant colors to perfectly create the scene or mood desired. You'll be able to control this bulb from up to 26 feet away with the remote control provided, with the option to dim the lights and change between warm and cold colors. These lights also have 4 modes, and they are shade, fade, jump, and flash. What's great about this LED setup is that it takes seconds to put together. There's no need for any tools, fixtures, or any type of technical experience. Simply unscrew the existing bulb, screw in your new bulb, and use the remote control provided. Here's my dining room, and I'll be installing the LED light bulb in the fixture above. Before replacing the existing light bulb, make sure to turn the power off, and if it's been on, make sure to give it a little bit of time to cool off. Alright everyone, it's the moment of truth. Wow, that blue color completely transformed the room. Wow. I'm gonna scroll through the colors. That's our green. Red, wow, it looks crazy. Next we can go through our white color. We have a cool color and a warm color. We can also adjust our brightness. We have a dimmer on this remote. I'm just going to scroll through the colors available. We also have a few modes, and we can also slow it down or speed it up. Personally, this is my favorite setting. Next is more of a party setting. Once again, you can either speed it up or slow it down. I would definitely recommend these lights. I think they're absolutely amazing, and I love them in my dining room. And if anybody found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you all next time.